In 1880, two ambitious Dutch brothers, Jacobus and Hendrik Jan Spyker, founded a small carriage workshop in Amsterdam. Their craftsmanship quickly earned them a reputation for building luxurious horse-drawn carriages for wealthy clients and even the Dutch royal family. As the world entered the age of the automobile, the brothers saw an opportunity. In 1903, they introduced their first automobiles under the name Spyker, changing the spelling to appeal to an international audience. They weren't interested in building ordinary cars. They wanted to create engineering masterpieces. That same year, Spyker shocked the automotive world by unveiling the Spyker C8 HP. It was unlike anything people had seen before. The car featured a 6-cylinder engine, permanent 4-wheel drive, and 4-wheel brakes, technologies that were decades ahead of their time. Many historians consider it one of the world's first true performance cars. Spyker's racing ambitions grew rapidly. In 1907, the company entered the legendary Beijing to Paris endurance race, one of the toughest automotive challenges ever attempted. Although victory remained out of reach, the event proved that Spyker built cars capable of surviving extreme conditions while capturing worldwide attention. Despite its innovation, financial struggles forced the original company to close in the 1920s. For decades, the legendary Dutch brand disappeared from the roads, becoming little more than a forgotten chapter in automotive history. Then, in 2000, Spyker made an extraordinary comeback. Entrepreneur Victor Muller revived the famous name with a bold vision: to build handcrafted supercars that combined aviation-inspired design with uncompromising luxury. The result was the breathtaking Spyker C8. Every detail was handcrafted, from the exposed aluminum gear linkage to the quilted leather interior and aircraft-style toggle switches. Under the hood sat a powerful Audi V8 engine, delivering thrilling performance while the unique design made every Spyker instantly recognizable. Unlike mass-produced supercars, each Spyker was built in very limited numbers. Owning one meant joining an exclusive club of collectors who valued artistry as much as speed. Today, Spyker remains one of the rarest names in the automotive world. Its motto, Nulla tenaci in via est via, for the tenacious, no road is impassable, perfectly reflects the company's remarkable journey. From a small Dutch carriage workshop to one of the world's most exclusive supercar brands, Spyker proves that passion, craftsmanship, and determination can create something truly unforgettable.